Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing in so your places and history sync. Tap search and type the address, business name, or coordinates. This targets exactly where you want to go. Once the pin appears, choose the map view, map, satellite, or terrain, and toggle useful layers like traffic or transit so you can see conditions and options. Make sure to grant location permission so your blue dot updates in real time. That's how the app keeps directions relevant. Once you tap directions, enter your start point or use your current location. Then pick driving, transit, walking, or cycling to match your mode. Compare suggested routes in EDA and use route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries when needed. This customizes travel time and cost. Add stops by tapping plus to include errands or pickups. Reorder stops by dragging to optimize the route. Preview step-by-step directions and glance at lane guidance and transit departure times. Start navigation and follow the voice prompts while watching live EDA and lane guidance. That reduces missed turns and stress. When you're ready, share your trip or a location link with contacts so others can track arrival, or save the place to favorites or a label for quick access. If the map misroutes or doesn't load, refresh the app, clear cache, confirm location permissions, or pick an alternate route. If GPS drifts, pause, step outside for a clear sky. Then resume navigation to correct your position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.